How to quickly cancel ICBC knowledge test appointment online. First things first is open up your preferred web browser that you want to use. Now I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video. Now in here, just simply type in ICBC for us to be able to go to the ICBC's official site. Now choose on icbc.com. Now in here, this is gonna be your ICBC's official website. Now all you have to do next is go to Contact Us. And from here, you can also choose to log into your account and just to head immediately to the customer support or the customer service care section. Now in here, all you have to do is scroll down and then go to other inquiries. Now in this specific site right here, you will be able to get their specific phone number for you to be able to get connected with a live customer representative. You'll just have to call in this specific hotline numbers right here and have your booking or your appointment details before you call in. So if they will be asking details on the appointment that you would like to cancel, you will be giving it immediately. So that's it. That's how quickly you can cancel ICBC knowledge test appointment.